हरि ओम्। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 9विंशतितमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्।
अग्रिमविषयः भवति कथम् इति. कथं मीन्स् हौ. ओके, सो अत्र वाक्यानि सन्ति. एकवारं वाक्यानि पठामः. अश्वः धावति, बालकः गच्छति, बालिका पठति, सिंहः गर्जति, ऋषिः ध्यानं करोति, गायकः गायति. एतेषां वाक्यानाम् अर्थान् वयं जानीमः. So अश्वः धावति, the horse runs. बालकः गच्छति, boy goes. बालिका पठति, the girl reads. And the सिंहः गर्जति, the lion roars. And the ऋषिः ध्यानं करोति, the saint is doing meditation. And the गायकः गायति, the singer sings. अत्र यदि तत्र कथम् इति योजयामः तर्हि अश्वः कथं धावति, how does the ashwa run. Okay, so our balakah katham gacchati, how does the boy go. So basically katham means how, and you can actually add it to any normal sentence. It may be a vartamana kala or bhavishyat kala or bhuta kala, doesn't matter. So katham would actually give meaning of how. So with regular sentence and how it happened. So balika katham patati, balika how does she read, and simha katham garjati, how does the lion roar, and rishihi katham dhyanam karoti, how does the rishi does the meditation, and gayakaha katham gayati, how does the singer sing. So again atra katham इति वाक्ये कुत्रापि भवितुं शक्यते. अत्र katham can be at any point in the sentence, not necessarily at the between the subject and verb. So katham balakah patati or balakah patati katham, or it can be at any position, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now katham, it gives the meaning of how, but what is the answer for this? There are some predefined answers at this level, but we'll learn in further lessons like how to give our custom answers. Okay, but for now we learn some predefined words on how to give answers.
प्रथमं वर्तते शीघ्रं. शीघ्रं means fast. Okay, कथम् अश्वः धावति, अश्वः शीघ्रं धावति. The ashwa runs faster. And balakah katham gacchati, balakah mandam gacchati, he goes slow, or balakah shighram gacchati, the boy goes faster. So let's repeat again. Ashwah dhavati, ashwah katham dhavati, ashwah shighram dhavati, and balakah katham gacchati, balakah mandam gacchati. Shighram means fast and mandam means slow. Okay, and balika katham patati, maybe mandam patati, she reads slowly, or balika shighram patati, she reads faster. And we can also give another word like shanaihi. The shanaihi means silently, as with lower voice. So balika katham patati, balika shanaihi patati. And the opposite for shanaihi is uchchaihi. So simha katham garjati, simha uchchaihi garjati. The simha roars louder. And rishihi dhyanam karoti, rishihi katham dhyanam karoti. So rishihi shanaihi dhyanam karoti. He does the meditations silently or in silent. And gayakaha katham gayati, you can actually say shighram, mandam, or shanaihi, uchchaihi. And there is again another common answer for this is samyak. The samyak means good. Okay, and of course samyak you can actually add it to any katham questions to make it meaningful answer. Like ashwah katham dhavati, ashwah samyak dhavati. That means ashwah runs good. And balakah samyak gacchati, boy goes good. And balika samyak patati, she reads well. And simha samyak garjati, so simha roars well, and Rishihi samyak dhyanam karoti, or Gayakaha samyak gayati. Okay, these are the few examples, and these are the few five words which you generally use it during your conversations. But there are different things you can actually get. Actually, for example, balakaha katham gachati. Other than shigram mandam shanaihi uchaihi samyak, you can also say boy goes with bicycle, or boy goes with along with other people. So there are also appropriate answers for katham, but at this lesson we stick to this only 5 answers actually. But we will learn in subsequent lessons on how to answer the remaining part. Okay. So for now, to understand, takeaway from here is katham means how, and the default or most used answers for them is shighram, mandam, shanaihi, uchaihi, samyak. Okay, so with that, let us take very short exercise. All you need to do is ask any question with katham and answer with one of these sentence, one of these words, and ensure that your sentence does not go beyond 3 to 4 words per sentence.
बालकः कथं क्रीडितः? बालकः उच्चौ क्रीडितः. How was the boy playing? He was playing so loudly.
बालकः कथं क्रीडति? बालकः उच्चैः क्रीडति. सम्यक्.
गजः कथं चलति? गजः मन्दं चलति.
शिशुः कथं रोदिति? शिशुः उच्चैः रोदिति.
नर्तकी कथं नृत्यति? नर्तकी सम्यक् नृत्यति. The dancer is dancing very good.
विहगाः कथं कूजन्ति? How do the birds chirp? विहगाः उच्चैः कूदन्ति. The birds chirp loudly.
नर्तक्याः कथं नृत्यन्ति? नर्तक्याः शीघ्रं नृत्यन्ति. Dancers, how do the dancers dance? Dancers dance very fast.
उत्तमं. बट् अत्र नर्तक्याः इत्युक्ते षष्ठी विभक्ति भवति. नर्तक्यः इत्युक्ते प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं भवति. सो नर्तक्यः कथं नृत्यन्ति? सो नर्तक्यः मन्दं वा शीघ्रं वा नृत्यन्ति. सम्यक्.
छात्रः कथं पठति? छात्रः सम्यक् पठति.
शम्भुकः कथं गच्छति? शम्भुकः मन्दं गच्छति.
सः कथं धावति? सः शीघ्रं धावति. He walks fast.
कूर्मः कथं गच्छति? कूर्मः मन्दं गच्छति.
चलनचित्रं कथम् आसीत्? चलनचित्रं सम्यक् आसीत्. How was the movie? The movie was good.
वातावरणं कथम् अस्ति? वातावरणं सम्यक् अस्ति. How is the weather? Weather is good.
भक्ताः कथं ध्यायन्ति? भक्ताः शनैः ध्यायन्ति.
भवान् कथम् अस्ति? अहं सम्यक् अस्मि.
Okay, so I think that's about this exercise, and it's a very simple lesson, and the forum exercise would be something like this. Write 5 sets of question and answers using katham, and corresponding answers with shighram, mandam, or samyak, or uchaihi, or nichaihi. So the same thing whatever we have attempted in the class, we need to write with 5 sets. So that's exercise in the forum. And next we have 31st lesson in our book. It's about the same lesson actually. Shigram, Mandam, Samyak, Uchaihi and Nichaihi. So what we do is we just read them as usual, and we actually give the meanings and move on. Okay, and first one, Uchaihi Patantu. So Vimanam Shigram Gachati. So aeroplane or the flight goes faster. And Divichakrika Mandam Gachati. The bicycle goes slowly. And Simmaha Uchaihi Garjati. The lion roars louder. And Chatakaha Shanaihi Shabdam Karoti. The Chataka or the Chataka makes sound very silently. And Gayika Samyak Gayati. The singer sings, the female singer sings well. And Balika Samyak Patati. The girl reads it well. And Etat Bhojanam Uttamam Asti. So this Bhojanam or this food is good. So basically Samyak or Uttamam can be used alternatively. And next one is Abhyasaha. Seteshu Uchita Shabdena Riktasthanani Purayantu. So Shigram, Mandam, Samyak, Uchaihi and Shanaihi. Okay, so now let's, in the Abhyasa, we will read two of them. And we give the answer with one of them matching one Shigram, Mandam, Samyak and so on. Okay, and what I do is I'm not going to unmute myself. If there is some comment, I will actually unmute and give it. Else I will move on to the next participant in the queue. Okay, let us, so don't wait for my feedback to continue. Okay, just continue and give the answers for 2 sentences and move on.
Balakaha Samyak Kridati Sisuhu Uchchehe Roditi. Balaka is playing good, and the child is crying at a loud voice.
Shepani Mandam Gachati. Puja Chalati. Kripaya Shanaihi Vadatu.
सः वृद्धः चेदपि मन्दं चलति.
Can you also give meanings actually for each one of them? Yeah.
सः वृद्धः चेदपि. Sir, I don't know the meaning of the ched.
Okay, Kshepani Gachati or Shigram Gachati means Kshepani is the rocket or missile, and Puja Chalati Kripaya Mandam Vadatu or Shanaihi Vadatu. So puja is happening, please tell in a silent or in a lower voice. And Saha Vriddhaha Chedapi Chalati. So Saha Vriddhaha Ched Api Chalati. So he is old but still he goes okay. And Chedapi Shigram Chalati, he goes faster.
Kurmaha Mandam Gachati. The tortoise goes slowly. Sankochaha Mastu. Sigram Bhojanam Karotu. Don't feel shy. Eat, or rather, Samyak Bhojanam Karotu. Properly eat food.
न शृणोति किंचित उच्चै वदतु. I can't hear. Speak a bit loudly. सा सम्यक नृत्यम करोति. She dances good.
एतत् नाटकं बहु सम्यक् उत्तमम् अस्ति. This drama very good. This drama was very good.
Yeah, I think that's all. And Avadheyam. एतादृशवाक्यानां प्रश्नकरणे कथम् इत्यस्य अव्ययस्य प्रयोगः भवति यथा बालकः कथं क्रीडति. See, in all the above cases, for the answers like शीघ्रं mandam सम्यक् उच्चैः and शनैः, the question word will be katham. Okay, katham means how. Okay, that's about this chapter. It's a very short chapter in our Gita Pravesha. I thought of taking it up now. Saha vriddha chedapi. The ched api is the two words combined together. It's called as chedapi. Chet api. That's the meaning. So chet means if and api means also. But we are going to study those individual words and along with their usages in the subsequent lessons. But at now, chedapi means still or although. That's the meaning. So although he is vriddha, shigram chalati. So he goes faster. Okay, संक्षेपः अस्माभिः प्रयोगं वयं दृष्टवन्तः. तत्र एकं सम्भाषणं पठितवन्तः. तत्र कृष्णस्य विषये सम्भाषणम् आसीत्. कृष्णः किं किं कृतवान् इति. तथैव कथम् इत्यस्य प्रश्नपदस्य अपि अभ्यासं वयं कृतवन्तः. कथम् इत्युक्ते हौ इति भवति. अत्र यत्कोपि यत्किमपि वाक्यं भवतु तत्र कथम् इति प्रयुज्मश्चेत् तत्र हौ इति अर्थः भवति. बालकः पठति, बालकः कथं पठति इति तत्र भवति. तथैव तत्र 31तमपाठं वयं समापितवन्तः. अत्र कथम् इत्यस्मिन् विषये एव सः पाठः भवति. तत्र शीघ्रं मन्दं सम्यक् उच्चैः नीचैः एतेषाम् उत्तरपदानां वयं प्रयोगं वयं ज्ञातवन्तः. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even ask the question in the Telegram group. And please subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section below the video if you have any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series. And finally, click on the like button, and thank you all for watching this video. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.